Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English 24 channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting topics, sports. I love sports because they bring energy, teamwork, and lots of fun.
Absolutely. Sports help us stay healthy, active, and happy. And of course, they're great conversation starters.
So, Alex, let me ask you, what sports do you like?
Good question. I really love football. It's fast, it's energetic, and it brings people together.
Nice. Football is super popular. Do you play football or do you just watch it?
Both. I play football with my friends every weekend, and I watch football matches whenever I get time.
Wow, that sounds fun. You're more active than I expected, Alex.
Hey, I try my best. But what about you, Lily? What sport do you like?
I love badminton. It's simple, it's fast, and it gives me a good workout.
Oh, badminton. That's a great sport. It's easy to play, but hard to master.
Exactly. And I enjoy playing it with my family. We usually play in the evenings.
That sounds wonderful. Playing sports with family is always special.
Alex, how often do you play sports?
I try to play at least 3 times a week. It helps me relax after work.
That's a great habit. I try to exercise every day, even if it's just a short walk or light stretching.
That's good, Lily. Even small activities make a big difference.
Sports are not just about winning or losing. They help us stay fit and improve our mental health.
Yes, when we play sports, we feel happier because our body releases positive energy. Also, sports teach us teamwork and discipline.
Exactly. And they help us connect with new people too.
Yes, you can meet new friends just by playing one match or joining a sports club.
So, if you want to talk about sports in English, here are some simple questions you can use. What sport do you like? How often do you play? Who do you play with? Do you like watching sports on TV? What's your favorite team?
And you can answer like this. I like football. I play twice a week. I play with my friends. Yes, I love watching sports. My favorite team is...
This is great for beginners who want to improve their English conversation skills.
Lily, do you get competitive when you play badminton?
Maybe a little, but only when I play with Alex. He never lets me win.
Hey, that's not true. I just play with passion.
Of course, passion.
Lily, do you watch sports on TV or online?
Oh, yes. I watch badminton tournaments sometimes. And sometimes I watch football too.
But only when people scream too loudly during the match.
Yes, football fans are very emotional. One goal, and everyone jumps like they touch the sky.
Exactly. The excitement is contagious.
Even if you don't know what's happening, you still feel the energy.
So, Alex, do you have a favorite football team?
Of course. My favorite team is, drumroll please, Barcelona.
Ah, I knew it. You always talk about them. Who is your favorite player?
Well, I admire many players, but Messi is my all-time favorite. His skills, his passion, everything about him is amazing.
Messi is truly incredible, but I like players who move fast and play smart.
Just like you in badminton?
Oh, come on. I'm not that fast, but I try. Now, if you want to talk about sports in English, there are some useful words you should know. For example, match, a game, team, a group of players, coach, the person who trains the team, practice, regular training, score, points in a game.
And here are some simple sentences you can use. I have football practice today. My team won the match. The score was 3-2. Our coach teaches us new skills.
Great job, Alex. These are perfect for beginners learning English.
Lily, did you play any sports when you were a child?
Yes, actually. I played badminton with my dad almost every evening. It's one of my favorite memories.
Aw, that's sweet. Sports create such strong memories, don't they?
Yes, they do. They remind us of family, fun, and simple happiness.
I used to play cricket with my brother. And he would always hit the ball so hard that I had to run forever to catch it.
That sounds like a workout more than a game.
It really was.
Let's talk a little bit about why sports are important for health.
Yes, sports help you stay fit, reduce stress, improve sleep, increase confidence.
And even if you don't play a big sport, simple activities like walking, jogging, or stretching also count.
So don't worry if you're not a professional player. Just move your body and have fun.
Alex, have you ever injured yourself while playing?
Yes. One time, I was trying to impress my friends with a cool kick.
Oh no. What happened?
I kicked the air, missed the ball, and fell straight on the ground.
Alex, that must have hurt.
It did, but my friends laughed so much that I started laughing too. Sports are fun, even with mistakes.
True. We enjoy the game, the moments, and the memories.
Okay, viewers, here's a quick mini quiz for you.
Question 1. What sport do you like? Question 2. How often do you play it? Question 3. Do you prefer watching or playing?
Write your answers in the comments. We love reading them.
Alex, have you ever tried learning a new sport as an adult?
Yes, I tried swimming last year. At first, I was scared of the deep water.
Oh, that's understandable. Swimming can be scary in the beginning.
But after a few classes, I started enjoying it. Now, swimming is one of my favorite weekend activities.
That's amazing, Alex. I also tried learning table tennis last year. But,
But
but the ball moved so fast, I couldn't even see it.
Lily, you must have looked like a ninja trying to hit invisible balls.
Exactly. I looked like I was fighting imaginary enemies.
For our viewers, remember, you don't need to be perfect to start a sport.
Yes, everyone starts as a beginner. The important thing is to try and enjoy the process.
Whether it's football, badminton, cricket, running, or yoga, just start with small steps.
And don't compare yourself with others. Just do what makes you happy and healthy. Alex, what do you think is better, team sports or solo sports?
Good question. I think team sports are great for making friends and learning teamwork.
Yes, that's true. Team sports help us practice communication and cooperation.
But solo sports, like running or swimming, are great when you want peace and focus.
Exactly. Both types are valuable. It depends on your personality.
I like both. Team sports make me energetic, and solo sports make me calm.
Nicely said, Alex.
Let's teach some easy phrases for starting a sports conversation in English.
Sure. Here are some simple ones. Do you like sports? What sport do you play? When do you usually play? Who is your favorite player? What team do you support?
And here are some replies. Yes, I love sports. I play every weekend. My favorite player is. I support.
Perfect. These phrases are very useful for daily English conversations.
Lily, tell me, do you have an embarrassing sports moment?
Oh no, do I really have to share it?
Yes, viewers love funny stories.
Okay. One time during a school sports day, I was running in a race.
And what happened?
I was running very fast, and then suddenly I tripped over my own shoelace and fell.
Oh no, Lily! Did everyone see?
Unfortunately, yes. But then my friends came and helped me get up.
That's sweet. And it shows that sports also teach kindness and teamwork.
Yes, and now I double check my shoelaces every time.
Okay, viewers, let's practice 3 simple questions. Repeat after us.
What's your favorite sport? How often do you play? Do you like watching live matches?
Nice. Now answer them in the comments.
Alex, many people start playing sports, but they stop after a few days. Why do you think that happens?
Because at the beginning, everything feels exciting, but later it becomes a little difficult or boring.
Yes, that's true. So here's a tip. Start with something simple and fun.
Exactly. Don't force yourself to run 5 kilometers on the first day. Just walk for 10 minutes and that's enough.
And another tip. Play with your friends or family. It keeps you motivated and makes the activity enjoyable.
Yes, when you have a partner, you feel more excited and energetic. Lily, do you prefer indoor sports or outdoor sports?
I like indoor sports because they're comfortable. No sun, no rain, no wind.
True. Indoor sports feel safe and calm.
But outdoor sports have something special. The fresh air, the big space, and the freedom to move.
Yes, outdoor sports make me feel alive, especially football. The bigger the field, the happier I am.
Of course. That's why you run like a rocket during football matches. Many beginners feel shy to join a sports group. What advice would you give them, Alex?
I would say don't be afraid. Everyone starts somewhere. No one is judging you.
Yes. And remember, people who play sports are usually friendly because they love teamwork.
And if someone laughs at you, just remember my story where I fell kicking the air.
Exactly. Mistakes make us better.
Here are some simple phrases to talk about sports in your daily routine. I go jogging in the morning. I play football on weekends. I practice badminton in the evening. I watch matches with my friends. I exercise to stay healthy.
And here are some responses. That's great. Really? Me too. Wow, that sounds fun. I want to try that someday. Alex, what do you love most about sports?
I love the feeling of freedom. When I play football, I forget all my problems.
Aw, that's beautiful. For me, I love the connection. Sports help me connect with people and make memories.
That's true. Sports bring people together in a very special way.
Okay, viewers, let's practice one last time. Repeat after us.
I like sports because they make me healthy and happy.
My favorite sport is...
I play or watch it.
Great! Now write your answers in the comments below.
And if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons.
That's right. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English. It would mean a lot to us, and we love to hear from you. So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future.
Yes, we read your comments and appreciate your feedback. So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, Lily.